Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. When we go to McDonald's or any food joint, we look for French fries, chicken nuggets for kids. But this Navratri we are doing the fasting. So let's have the Vrat special nuggets and French fries with some peanut chutney. So let's start with the recipe. You don't have to go to any restaurant for these type of fries. Let's make it home, and as you can see they are really crispy and tasty and made of sago or tapioca and potato mixture. So let's see how to make it. So let's see how to make crispy fries for fasting. So I have 3/4 cup of tapioca. I have not soaked it. This is just dry tapioca. Oil to fry. Coriander chopped. I have 2 boiled potatoes grated and green chilies, approximately 2 to 3. If you do not use red chili powder for fasting, you can totally skip this because green chili is going to give us the flavor. But for that red color of the fries, totally optional. Salt to taste and approximately 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. This is so step number 1 is I'm going to grind this tapioca or sago in grinder and make a coarse powder. So here you go. I have grinded it for just 3 times, and as you can see, this is a coarse tapioca. Let's add everything. I'm just gonna keep some. Add potatoes. Coriander, green chilies, salt and red chili powder. And for that nutty flavor, we will add crushed peanut powder. Let's mix this well. And we are not going to add any water here because when we boil the potatoes, they are moist enough to bind this and to form a dough. Quick and easy. Make it at home when it's Vrat time. Let's add some more. Because tapioca is going to give us that crispiness to the fries. Peanuts is going to give us that nutty flavor. Alright, so I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of oil. And that's it. This dough is ready. I'm going to wait for 5 minutes and heat up the pan and get the oil ready for frying. Okay, so my dough is ready, my oil is heating up, and let's make the nugget shape. You can choose any shape you would like, but today I'm mimicking the chicken nuggets, but we are doing the fasting, so I'm making the nugget shape just like this. So get a small ball. Grease your hands with oil. Press it, and then press it from this side, from the sides. So make it like oval shape, but kind of a square. Just press it like that. So my nuggets are quick and easy, just getting ready to fry. Since kids love nuggets and fries, I tried to make the French fries type of shape. Just roll it, palm, just like so, and then just keep rolling until it forms that shape, just like that. Nothing hard. Or you can use a chakla patra if you have it. Just make that work. So just a creative something that kids will eat. Just like this, you see, and then do it like this so that it forms the French fry type of shape. Look at this. Isn't it easy? So here is my fast food getting ready. So I have almost 12 fries and 12 nuggets, as you can see. So let's get frying. Let's fry it on a medium high flame. So let's start with nuggets. Do not flip it immediately. Let it turn golden brown from one side. Make a quick chutney on the side. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of crushed peanut powder, salt to taste, sugar, red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Alright, so here is the ultimate dish here. I have the fasting nuggets and fasting fries with some peanut chutney ready, and I hope you like this recipe. Something unique, something different, and I'm sure kids love it. So if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and I'm sure you're gonna try this home this Navratri, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Just check out the crispiness. There you go. And dip it in the beautiful creamy chutney and enjoy this.